make it to another adventure, blue spearfishing and adventure. We're at it again tonight. I'm a beesman tonight, at it again tonight. So we're going to go see what we can find. You know? So in the morning, we're showing you the catch. You know? So big up to all of my subscribers and my supporters them who support me so far. Respect each and one of you all. Respect. See you tomorrow.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spend all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
people. So I'm going with the torture last night, man. See them on here, man. Me want to shoot this, you know. Yeah. So I go to work. Now play. Yeah, man. It was a wonderful catch. Yeah, so right now I'm going to roast a few of them right now. And make you see what go on, you know. So this is actually a catch and cook. Yeah, my people. So now bless up, stay tuned, and go and watch what go on right away. Yeah. So as you see it there, I'll cut up the ground provisions them right now. You know? Yeah. Different things on the menu today, you know. Sweet corn. Yeah, right, let's see. Sweet corn. We are using our fish them today, you know. With them mouse today again. With nice as Seaside. Come closer, come fish. Yeah, people see the sweet corn. Sweet corn we are using our fish them today, you know. Yeah, man. So let's go and prepare the ground provision. As you know, see fire the fire catch already. Yeah, as you know, see fire catch already, you know. Yeah. So only left we just cut up the ground provision them and we're gone already, you know. We have to cut them thin, you know, because we want them steam quick. So we just go and stick and stay tuned, you know. And go and watch what go on. Catch and cook right on the seaside. So we have to deal with some fresh fish. Yeah. So show any fish there what we have steam in our file today. Yeah, my people. Let's go and stick and stay. Prepare the season. These pausing. You know, chat, hold on. Yeah, the people on the final of cutting up the seasonings, you know. Yeah.
Oh boy, monk, you know.
People. So, see fish them how we are deal with. Yeah, man. Fish them how we are deal with, you know. So, go ahead, season them up, file them up and put them on the fire. Yeah. Yeah. This is a file fish, but you know, obviously you don't know about file fish. The car fish come with the skin for this stuff. I'm teaching my people how this is done. And also this really there, because I'll teach you. File fish, skin fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tear off the skin. Yeah, that is it. Come closer. Come. Look up closer. Yeah, we can see fish them.
Well, big bad chef in our business. Big up Blue and fishing team. Flip man and Piffy. One beat in our building, you know? Yeah.
She ain't tell mom to go to Iraq.
Yeah, my people, so we just go and season up the fish them, you know? Yeah. So I was showing you the process, so you know, I file them up as well. Put them on the fire.
Jaggy.
No, man, yeah, my people, so you see, season me there, I go and season up the fish them right now, put them in a file. So just go and watch and see what I go on now. Cause I don't know. Seaside with them when I run no joke. I run no joke, people. I run no joke. Watch what go on. Watch what go on. Come on. Yeah, go and season them up, you know.
That one just cool.
Use the sour. So you see it there. And next one, you know. Yes, so as you see, next one about to wrap, you know, to go up on the fire. Yeah, right, that's it. Roast fish are mad today again, you know, man. No joke, believe. So I go on people. Alright, take 4 in another one. 4 in this one, alright, that's so. Just there.
I'll put it on the window then. Get your juice, get your juice. See they run in the room. You saw me.
Yeah, but I'm giving my number. I'm giving my number. I'm doing it a couple months ago now.
Yeah, my people, so see it here. Don't wrap up the fish, them fire where I put them on now, you know? Yeah, so we'll stick on to you soon and watch what go on. Yeah, my people, you see it there? Fish them on fire. Yeah. Look at the fire. Fire blazing, torching. Yeah, man, you see it there, man. Get the fish them ready, you know? Yeah. Fish them on fire. Good. There is, man. Hot it. Alright, people. So, time to tell the truth. That my fish are ready. Jesus, man. Yeah, my people, so catch what I go on now. My fish ready. Yeah. Ready fish. Alright.
Oh yeah, we have that show.
The people. Yeah, man. People, don't get nice. Don't get nice fish, you know. What a nice, full of nice people. Just a shell of one, you know. Hey. What a nice view. Well done. Shell them 2 fish them already, you know? Yeah. Only thing left to do is pack up and leave this place. Go home, go bed. And hold some rest. You know? As I've been saying, respect to everybody who have been showing their support to spearfishing and adventure. You know? Put all these contents for you all. Yeah, I appreciate you all taking the time out to show you all support. So give thanks again. So remember now, whosoever not subscribers yet, please go ahead, drop the subscribe so you can know when the video is dropped. Understand? Turn on your post notification as well. Yeah. Spearfishing and adventure in the world. Yeah. Come to conquer.
Yeah, people, we got big, massive, huge one this man. Yeah. See, little one now, my cousin will tell me something to catch. Little one. Yo, hip.
Huh? Just want to say once more, new subscribers, please remember to hit that like button, share and subscribe, please. I just want to make you all know you have made it to an end of another adventure. So I'll see you in another one.